welcome to this instructional video on how to compile and run an Easytrieve program on a remote Linux system. This video will demonstrate how to achieve that directly from the VS Code IDE using the Easytrieve language support extension. To do this, we need to install one of the available VS Code extensions from VS Code Marketplace that would allow us to communicate with the Linux server itself. In this example, we will be using the SSH client for VS Code. Once we open an Easytrieve source code, we are presented with the code that is indented with syntax coloring and easy to read thanks to the VS Code extension capabilities. The color scheme follows the same practices as other programming languages in VS Code. Keywords are in blue, comments are in green, and so on. As you can see, the extension has also found an error in Easytrieve source code, which you can notice in the terminal. The issue here happens to be that the report name is wrong, so we can go ahead and fix it. Once fixed and saved, we can open the terminal, navigate to the location of the .easyt file, compile and execute via command line directly from the VS Code IDE. This way, we can immediately validate the program output with the changes we've made to the Easytrieve source code without the need to switch from the IDE. For more information on the Easytrieve VS Code extension, please visit Visual Studio Code Marketplace. Thank you.